Hi there, today I'm going to share the recipe of black-eyed bean, which is a good source of vitamin A and calcium. It is also very rich in protein. And for this recipe today, I'm going to use Instant Pot. It takes overall around 12 to 14 minutes to prepare the whole meal, and the end result is creamy texture and full-bodied beans and makes an excellent choice for weeknight suppers. So let's go over the ingredients. I'll be using turmeric, mustard seeds, chili powder, garam masala, salt, onion, thinly sliced onions, tomatoes, one small tomato should be enough, 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, crushed garlic, and oil of your preference. And for this recipe we don't need to soak beans for 4-5 hours. 30 minutes should be enough. Now we'll just turn on the saute option at normal level. And we'll add oil and we'll wait the oil to heat up. Once the oil is heated up, we'll add our mustard seeds. The way we check the oil is heated up, when we add mustard seed, it should start spluttering. If you see it, the mustard seeds when added onto the oil, it's making spluttering sound. Now I'm going to add onions. And at this point I'm going to add a little bit of a pinch of salt. This helps soften the onions and gives it a browny texture. Mix it well. Add crushed garlic. Simmer it for maybe half a minute. Now add tomatoes. We need to mix this mixture well and simmer it for almost 2 minutes to have that gravy texture at the end. The tomatoes should soften up. So I'm going to cover this with the saute lid. With the lid, we'll wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, let's check if the tomatoes are ready. And yeah, they are ready. At this point, we will reduce our saute option we'll go from normal to less, and you can do that by pressing that saute option on our Instant Pot, because it's and now we will start adding our dry ingredients into the mixture. We'll start with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, chili powder, half a teaspoon chili powder as per your taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, some salt as per your taste. Mix it well, and at this point add a little bit of water so that your onion tomato mixture and the whole spices are mixed thoroughly. And next step would be adding our soaked beans. And we now need to add 2 cups of water. I'm using pre-measured water here, and we're now going to cancel the saute option on the Instant Pot and cover the Instant Pot with a lid, and we'll pressure cook this on high pressure for 10 minutes, and we are done. We just need to wait for 10 minutes and our dish would be ready. We just need to make sure that the thing is on the steaming and not on the venting option. Okay, it has been 10 minutes. I did a natural release for 10 minutes and then after that I did a quick release, and our beans are ready to be served. The good thing about this that you can enjoy this as a soup, or you can serve this dish with naan, chapati or rice. So do try this recipe out, and leave your comments and feedback, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.